This is the second violin part for Boreas. We're going to go through it pretty slowly so that you can play along, but hopefully as we go along in our practice, we can speed it up a little bit and get really into the piece. All right, so we're going to start at measure 53, 5-3, and we are going to start with our first finger on E string. So that F sharp. Checking to see, make sure I'm in tune. All right, F sharp, we're gonna go this slow. 1, 2, ready, go. Same thing. Faster. Key change, so B flat. That note right there is a close 4 to your 3. So that B flat is going to be right next to your third finger. B flat. So we're going to start there. Ready? 57, go. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so a couple things to notice about this is some accidentals that we're seeing in this piece. Remember, accidentals are notes that aren't in the key signature, but that are written in, so we have to follow them. Some of those are in measures 89 through 100. So the one that I'm thinking about the most is in measure 92. So go ahead and find that measure, 92. And we're going to play that one really slow, and then we're going to speed it up. All right, so we're going to play it 3 times slow and then 1 time fast. All right, let's try that together. It starts on a B, so we're going to get our first finger ready to go on A string. That note. And we're going to go this slow. 1 and 2 and. Ready? Go. Okay, so let's walk through what that was. We have a high 3 that we need to play. It's the G sharp. So what normally we would play on the tape would be our third finger just on that blue tape, but I don't have any tapes on my violin, but that's okay. We're going to raise our third finger to be in between the blue tape and the orange tape. Okay, so in between third finger and fourth finger to raise it or to sharpen it. So let's find that note and play it together. This is G sharp. Find it, play it with me. Okay, so the note before that is first finger. So we're not gonna move our hand up with our third finger. We're gonna keep our hand back. We're just gonna raise our third finger. Okay, so we're gonna start at 92. We're gonna play the B, high 3, and high 3 again. Okay, so let's do it 3 times slow. Ready, set, go. Again, go. Again, go. Now we're gonna go faster. So we're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and again, play. Okay, I hope that helped you understand how to practice each measure in this song. So from measures 89 to measure 96, these are little sections. At least this section is something that's a little harder to play faster. So you'll need to practice each measure just like I told you how to practice in measure 92. So 3 times slow, 1 time fast is always a good method to use when you're practicing. When you get to measure 97, sometimes these doubles or the tally mark that says to play it double, you don't necessarily have to follow that. If we get to rehearsal and you're like, I can barely keep up, just play the 8th notes instead of doubling them to be 16th notes. So in 97, instead of going like this, you can just play. And notice I did use my 4th finger for the E. If you can reach the 4th finger with your elbow coming under like this, if you can reach that well enough, use that to make sure that you can do it. Use it to your advantage, because having to stay on one string versus going E, it's just more work than we need to do. If we can keep all of our fingers on A string, that's what we should do. Sorry for this kind of long video. You can use what you can for it, but good luck on the quiz and happy practicing.